classmates. Sabi mo rin. Jose, you say thank you to your classmates. Nahiya si Jose. Thank you.
Thank you po.
Okay. Okay, we are, Mami Hi. Mami ni Hi na lang. Si Hi na lang ba walang tenga doon sa page 20? Ikaw lang wala, mahal? Wawa naman. Mali si teacher nag-bind niyan. Si teacher mali. Okay. So, ang gagawin, may nakadrawing dyan na ears. Ears to hear. Last time we studied about the eyes to see, nose to smell, and now ears to hear. Tenga para makarinig. Okay, ano bang naririnig natin? Naririnig nyo ba ako? Opo. Naririnig nyo ba ang mga mamis nyo? Naririnig nyo ba ang mami nyo? Opo. Ayusin mo sagot, Jose. Yes. Nakakarinig ba kayo ng sound ng mga sasakyan? Opo. Bakit kayo? Ay, ayusin, Jose. Pangit yung sagot na opo. Sobrang haba. Okay. Nakakarinig tayo dahil meron tayong tenga. Very good, Aliyah. Meron tayong tenga. Ilang peraso ang tenga mo? Dalawa. Very good, Lucho. Dalawa. How many? 2. How many? 2. How many? 2. 2 ears. Okay, sa baba, may box doon. Okay? Sa baba, may box dyan. You draw 2 ears. Mag-drawing ng 2 ears. At kopyahin ang sa baba, I can hear with my ears. Okay, start now. Start now. Diretso-tuto na yan siya. Sa'yo. It's 9. 11 mo na yun. Pag-pick up para diretso.
Ma'am, papel na lang.
Opo, papel na muna si Haina. Tapos isusulat mo, Mami, susulat niya, I can hear with my ears. Okay, tenga. Tapos I can hear with my ears. Tapos i-attach mo dyan sa module yan, Mia.
Apo, sige po.
Oo. Para masama sa checking. Yes, Isabel, mag-draw na ng ears. I will give you 5 minutes lang. 2 ears lang. Ayoko ng maraming ears. Okay, 2 lang naman talaga ears natin, 'di ba? Yes, very good, Jose. Very good, Jose. Very good. Nice.
I done, teacher.
Yes, very good, Pichi. Very good, Pichi. Yes, very good, Aliyah. So, dugtungan mo pa yan, Aliyah. I can hear with my ears. With my ears. With my ears. Dapat hapon na lang siya, no, sir? Para diretso. Alauna hanggang alas 3. Oh, para hindi mabigat na. Bye. Tama. Opo, mami. Tama yan. Every Friday na lang.
Dance teacher.
Yes, very good, very good. Okay. Very good, very good.
Tapos na po ako. I'm done, teacher.
Yes, very good, Baste.
Teacher, I'm done.
Very good. Yes, very good, Jillian. Okay, since you are all done, let's move to page 19. Okay, doon na tayo sa next page, yung may animals. Okay, yung may animals. Ano yung mga animals na nandyan? Dog, bird, snake, cat, and duck. Okay, so may dog, may bird, may snake, may cat, at saka duck. Okay. Lahat yan ng animals na yan has sounds. Wherein the sounds ay naririnig mo because of your ears. Nakakarinig ka because of your ears. Now, I am going to say the sound and you are going to identify what animal is it that sounds like that, okay? Are you ready? Let's play. We're going to play online. Okay, I'm gonna say arf, 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 arf. What animal is that? Yes? Wala din? Oh my God. Magpatakbo ka nga dito, me. Magpatakbo ka nga dito. Wala mo.
Ano? Ngayon, mamaya.
Ngayon. Oo, kahit mamaya. Sige, okay lang. Okay, let's play now. Let's play. Okay, I'm gonna say the sound and you're going to guess what animal is that. Okay, arf, arf, arf. What animal is it?
Dog.
Dog. Very good. Next. Tweet, 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 tweet. What animal is it?
Bird.
Bird. Very good.
Sounds pa lang.
What animal is it?
Yung may tenga. Yung may tenga.
What animal? Snake. What about this one? Meow. Meow. Meow.
I-try nyo lang ng i-try.
Meow. Cat. Very good, Aliyah. Okay. Quack, 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 quack. Dog. Very good. Okay. Now, you are going to trace the lines there from the animal to its sound. Okay, you're going to get... Okay, we are going to use your red crayons. No. Whatever color is it? Look at that. The broken line sa dog is what color? Kung ano yung kulay, yun yung crayons na gagamitin mo. If it is red, use red crayon. If the broken lines are green, you use green color. If the broken lines are blue, you're going to use blue color. And then if the broken lines are orange, you use orange. If it is purple, you use purple. Okay, you do it now. Okay, may color siya, di ba? Okay, ang galing ni Teacher Maris gumawa ng module, di ba? May color pa. Oh, cute. May color.
Ito, what color is it?